We're on the next day. We got the cab off, as you can see. It's over there. It's so complicated for no reason. This is the wire that was smoking. It burnt. And this is why. The original owner tried to solder this. Didn't do the best job. And this wire leads straight into that. Let's go. We got the wiring harness for the ATV. So we got the ATV in the garage. We're gonna start taking off all these wires and we're gonna replace that. This is the old one. It burnt out. This is the new one. So much better. What we got done so far. Replaced the spark plug. It's working. Just got that back in. So here's mine, and that's his new project. It's a little 50cc. It's starting for about a second or so, and it stops. We're gonna do an oil change because look at the oil in this. Doesn't look too right to me. See that in there? Looks like sand. We're gonna do an oil change on mine too. Tune up on the carb, tune up on his carb. Yeah. Make sure it goes under it. Oh my god. Oh, that's orange. There's barely anything coming out of it. Open this. Might want to clean this up too.
Yeah.
So you can actually see. Look at that. Oh, I can't see.
I guess now you wait.
Yep, now you wait and I'll go do mine. For you guys that don't know, this one here is for the tranny, the one that's angling on the side. This one here that angles down is for the oil, engine oil. Let's take it off. I'm not gonna take it off completely because he's got the drain bowl over there. I'll tell you what, engine oil is not supposed to look like that or feel like jello. That is not good. It's barely draining, so it's probably some blocking it because that hole's pretty big. This is literally gel coming out. You see that? Your face is in the, your shadow, I mean. There you go. It's literally gel. This made a big mess. But that's his oil. Don't mind the splatter around. It's because it's windy out here. Mine's do too. That's the black one there. At least it's oil coming out. And not gel. Yeah.